Hello everyone, and welcome back to Introduction to OPCloud. In this session, we'll talk about main features and using Canvas, OPL, left pane, and other features. Last time, we left our model like that. Now, let's see how we can continue. We need to finish connecting the vehicle COM into call handling as an instrument. And now let's see the next features OPCloud showed us. First of all, let's talk about navigating between OPDs. In the left pane, which is this area in OPCloud, we have the OPD tree, the draggable OPM things, and the OPD navigator. The OPD navigator is our option to use the canvas, and using it, we can drag it around, enlarge it, like that, zoom in, zoom out, very nicely. In order to change OPD, we're using the OPD tree. Here you can see the all OPD tree that we currently have, which is the SD system diagram and the SD1. Let's change back. Here we want to show in our system what next to be done in our things. So we can use the draggable thing. In the draggable thing, we can see that each element, each thing, has first indication, is it physical or informatical? As we can see here, call is informatical and cellular network is physical. We have the driver, which is environmental. And we have the GPS, which is systemic. The driver, we know from the previous OPD of SD1, has danger status. In order to give us a more comfortable way to recognize things, in the draggable thing, a thing which is an attribute of another object, you can see that it adds its connected thing. So the danger status is added with off driver. I can now drag it easily into the canvas. I will left click and drag it. As you can see, if it's not directly connected, it will show the off driver as part of the name of the thing. I now will connect it again. As you can see, here we have more things that will show us that a warning that I cannot use it again. I will click on it. As you know, I could have just used the bring connected things. We can now align more neatly our links. The black dots, as we talked about them before, called vertices. And in order to add a vertex, I'm just clicking on the link. In order to remove a vertex, I double click it. Here I added one, and now I remove them. I want to show that the danger status is changed. So let's align them and show what we want to show. We talked about suppressing and expressing. Let's see it now. Here we have the option to suppress the states. Once we suppress the states, the ellipsis is created with 3 dots and the number of states currently suppressed. Here you can see the number 2. If I will hover, I will see both names. Double clicking on the ellipsis will again open them. Now let's arrange them nicely, like before. I select the object and align it. I can change the order of things. As you can see, as I dragged it a long way, it just enlarged the object. I will use the undo to just change it back. So I can easily change them. I can enlarge with an easily done manipulation, and I can now change the link from danger status. Let's go on to the left pane. If I want more for my left pane, I can use the command. First of all, the command pane, the left pane, can be closed and open. Near the name of the model, there is the button to close the left pane, like so, extending our canvas. I can change the size of the draggable thing and the navigator. I can remove the navigator, and as you can see in the secondary toolbar, the navigator icon becomes blank. Clicking on it again will bring it back. I can detach the navigator from the left pane using this button. Here, I can put it wherever I like. I can enlarge and reduce its size. Clicking on the button again will attach it back to the left pane. I can also move the OPL pane into the left pane, clicking on the button. As you can see, now the OPL is on the left, leaving me more room on the canvas. Closing the entire thing will give me a much nicer view if I want to work like that. The OPL, as you can see, have numbers. I can hide the numbers or show them according to my convenience. You can see that we have the option to work in full screen, toggle the marked things, and work with nodes. Working with nodes is easy. Double-clicking everywhere on the screen where there isn't any element will add a node. For example, here. Automatically, there will be a node. You can change the title, or you can change the node itself. You can use it to move it, double-click to edit, or remove a node. Now, you can link with a dashed link a node to any object or process on the screen. If I will toggle the nodes out, it will not delete them, it will just hide them. Toggle the nodes back will show them again. Removing them will just remove them. Thank you.